This poster represents the new policy released by the Idaho State Board of Regents, which states that two-thirds of exams will be broken into in-person, written, and oral exams. The audience targeted are all people involved in the state of Idaho education system, including teachers and students. The overall goal of this poster is to inform the students and teachers of this new policy and accept its application within the school system. This poster has a neutral framing to provide the information in a clear and concise way so the audience isn't provoked in any way that would harm the credibility of the poster. This is to ensure that the information is clearly communicated and prevents it from being taken in a way that would harm the effectiveness of the policy. The design principles we focus are alignment, scale and proportion, color, and typography. The alignment of the poster, we focus on dividing the top half of the page into quarters, where the bottom half of the page is divided into three categories, starting with the bolded text, followed by the subtitle, the description, and logo. The hierarchy of the poster starts with the dominant aspects being the education text, as well as the state of Idaho with the 49th place ribbon. The subdominant level is stating that the state of Idaho is ranked second to last in education, as well as the subheader of the AI academic policy. The subordinate level is the smaller text describing the policy and the State Board of Education logo. The hierarchy of this poster is the most important aspect because we want the audience to follow the specific order of information. The saturation design principle starts by contrasting education the most by using bright red fonts as well as a dark lift behind the text in order to draw the attention of the audience. The rest of the fonts are white, so they blend in with the neutral background and make it easy to read. The background itself is an AI-inspired futuristic feature that is unique to the poster and goes with the theme of the policy. The design features are a 60% blue portion in the background, 30% white in the text, and 10% in the education text. The blue background focuses on the responsibility and credibility of the poster, the white is the informative piece, and the red is the passion for education within the poster. The overall typography of the poster is uniform fonts that keep from distracting the information that we want to be projected. All of these elements combine to the overall purpose of informing people of the new policy and asserting the credibility of the Board of Education and their implementation of it.